Well, good morning, class. Okay, as you can see, I already have the student version of SPSS open for you. And what I want to show you today is how to open a data file that might be in Excel format. So I've already have my SPS software program open and running. And now I'm going to click open a data file, and I'm going to look on my computer for the specific file that I need. And as you can see, I'm not really seeing an Excel file. Okay, so I need to, hold on a minute, let me show you. I need to find the Excel data file. And it was a file that was in Excel that I saved as a tab delimited format. As you can see, I have lots and lots of files on here. So here it is. I named it tab data exercise 6.dat. So I'm going to click on it, select it actually, and then I'm going to click open. And SPS hopefully is going to do something with it. Yeah, okay. So now it's taking me to something the SPS has called the import wizard. And do I want my text file to match a predefined format? I'm going to say no, or actually leave it at the default no, and click continue. And are the variables arranged? It's delimited. We're going to leave that. Are the variable names included at the top of your file? As you can see, they are. So we're going to click yes. Then we're going to click continue. Now, the first case of data begins on line number 2, which is fine because the first line in this particular Excel file were the variable names. Okay, so how many cases do you want to import? And I want to import all of them. Now, if you're using an Excel file with the student version, you may have to limit your cases to perhaps the first 1,000 cases or a random percentage, because I do not think the student version of SPSS allows you to import more than 1,500 cases. So you don't want to cut it close. So I'm just going to click all of the cases because I'm actually using the trial version, so it'll accept all of them. And I'm going to click continue. And I want the delimiters to be just tab. I don't want space. And there's a whole bunch of reasons why for this, that, and the other thing. And keep in mind, when I go through these demonstrations, I'm just going to give you the basics. And I know your minds will probably want to go further and ask about a whole lot of other things. And that's cool. But to keep it short and brief and simple, let me just cover the basics. And if you have additional questions, feel free to email me or come see me and we can talk and chat about it. Because sometimes there are some students who are going really way above and beyond and further than their peers, which is fine. But I don't want to confuse you, especially in these early stages. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click continue. And as you can see here, you see all the different variables. Remember, the variables are in the columns, and then the cases or each of your respondents is in the rows. And I'm going to click continue. Blah, 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 blah. I'm going to leave that as ID, numeric. Don't need to change anything. Just going to keep going, continue. You have successfully defined the format of your text file. Would you like to save the file format? You can. I don't. I'm a little lazy because I like to do it, with each file very individualized to make sure I get it right the first time. And then I'm just going to click done. And as you can see, SPSS bounces in and out. Cool. So now what you've successfully done is you had an Excel file and you imported it into SPSS into a data file with numbers that you can work with. So that's all there is to this video, and I'm going to stop this one right now. But one of the other videos will show you how to do a lot of other different really cool and fun things with SPSS. So thank you for watching and have a great day.